Hello friends, welcome to Crafteria. If you are new to this channel, subscribe my channel by clicking the subscribe and bell button to get more videos. In this video, we are going to see how to crochet this cute little bag. For this, we are using yarn, crochet hook, cutter, needle and some pins. This bag is done using a beautiful stitch. It is a beginner friendly stitch. The stitch looks so rigid and it looks beautiful. To do the stitch, we want to know the basic stitches like slip knot, chain and slip stitch. First, we will do the body part, then the strap, and then we will fold the body part into two and join both the sides to form like a bag. So now let's see how to do this beautiful bag. Start with a slip knot. The foundation chain can be any number of chain based on the length of the pouch you are going to do. Yarn over, pull through the loop, yarn over, pull through the loop, yarn over, pull through the loop. This is what we say it as chain, and the number of chain can be any number of chain based on the length of the pouch we are going to do. After doing them, it looks like this. So next, you are going to work on the third loop. So if you see here, this is the chain. So this is the front loop, back loop, and if you turn the chain, you can see a bump like structure at the back. So this will be the third loop. We are going to work on this third loop. So turn your work, yarn over, insert the hook in this third loop, yarn over, pull through that loop. You will have 3 loops. Next you are going to insert this first loop through these 2 loops. So turn your hook like this, pull this first loop and pull through these 2 loops. Now we have done the first stitch. So this is the pattern which you are going to follow for this whole project. That is yarn over, insert the hook in the third loop here, yarn over, pull through that loop. You will be having 3 loops. Next you will insert this first loop through these 2 loops. So for that, turn your hook like this, pull this first loop and pull through these 2 loops like this. So second stitch, yarn over, insert it in this third loop here like this, yarn over, pull through the loop, and next you are going to insert this single loop through these 2 loops. So pull this single loop like this, turn the hook and pull through these 2 loops. So this will be the pattern you have to follow till you reach this end. After doing them, it looks like this. We are having 49 stitches. For next row, do chain 1, turn your work. We will be working in this chain. Here we will be working in these chain. We have to follow the same pattern how we did in the previous row. That is yarn over, insert the hook in the stitch by taking both the loops of this chain. Yarn over, pull through the loop. You will have 3 loops and you are going to insert the first loop through the other 2 loops like this. So yarn over, insert the hook by taking both the loops. That is, we are taking this chain, yarn over, pull through the loop. You will have 3 loops and you are going to insert this first loop through these 2 loops. Likewise, you are going to follow the pattern. After doing them to the required size, it looks like this. Next, we are going to do a strap. Start with a slip knot. The foundation chain can be any number of chain based on the length of the strap you want. Yarn over, pull through the loop. Yarn over, pull through the loop. Yarn over, pull through the loop. This is what we say it as chain. And so the foundation chain can be any number of chain based on the strap you want. So for this, we are going to make a strap, continuous strap. So we'll be doing the strap like this way here. The foundation chain should be double the length of the body part. After doing the chain, you can measure them till the required length of the strap you want. After that, you will join them in the first chain like this and do a slip stitch. Yarn over, pull through the loop and pull through the other loop. Now it will form like a circle here. Next, we are going to do double crochet in each stitch. For that, start with chain 3. 1, 2, 3. Next stitch, you are going to do a double crochet, yarn over, insert the hook in the loop, yarn over, pull through the loop. You will have 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through first 2 loops. You will have 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through next 2 loops. This is what we say it is double crochet. Next stitch, double crochet, yarn over, insert the hook in the loop, yarn over, pull through the loop. You will have 3 loops on the hook. yarn over, pull through first 2 loops, you'll have 2 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through next 2 loops. Likewise, you're going to do double crochet in each stitch till you reach this last stitch. After doing them till the required length, it looks like this. Next, you can finish them by doing a slip stitch in this third chain. Next, do chain 1 and snip off this yarn. So now the strap is ready. Next, we will see how to join the strap to the body part. We will mark it like this in which place we want the handle, and next we are going to join them to the body part. So likewise, we will be joining them till this point, and then we will turn like this and join this side till here, and same way how we did here, we will be doing the other side as well. After joining the strap, it looks like this. Next, you can fold them too, and now you can join both these sides. Join them using slip stitch. So insert it here and do pull through. Same way, insert the hook in one side, the other side, yarn over, pull through both the loops and pull through this loop. This is what we say it as slip stitch. Same way you are going to join till you reach this end. Same way we will be joining the other side also. After joining both the sides, the bag looks like this. If you like this video, like, share, comment this video, and also subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe and bell button to get more videos. Thank you, friends.